आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. कामगार आनी रोजगार मंत्र्याच्या हजेरेंत मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकरान मंगळारा रोजगार विनिमय पोर्टल डिजिटल सेवेचें लोकार्पण केलें. काम सोदतल्यांक आनी काम दितल्यांक एका माचयेर हाडपाक सरकारान मारिल्लें हें पावल आसा. हातूंत सुमार 53 सॅक्टरांनी 3000 करियरांचो युवकांक पर्याय मेळटलो. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विल्यम रॉड्रिक्स.
Congratulate Labour Department for completing this exercise, which Chief Minister holding for some time the Labour portfolio. Realized that in 2015, Panaji was selected as Model Career Center. But probably nothing further had moved because there was a lot of ambiguity of what is exactly going to be the portal. The portal was even initially I had some reservation because this portal basically puts you on all India map. Every unemployed youth or youth with a better career option is put on an all India level portal. Similarly, all India are put on our level. So there is no restriction, there is no domain of state per se. So I had slight initial reservation. Then when I discussed the detail about the portal, I realized that this is an excellent opportunity which the government in Delhi, after initiative from Prime Minister, has taken, and we should immediately enter into it. We started, but I congratulate Rohit Khawte, Prime Minister, for following it up, and Commissioner Labour for ensuring that it is complete.
Portal Polo is made for having the proper data. It is not unemployed data. It is data of people who are there to be registered. So each individual coming out of a college campus, graduating diploma खंयचे जाले जाल्यार he is supposed to do it online registration घरा बसून. पयली एक आसतालें की सगळ्या ऑफिसांनी वचून लायन लागताली आनी रजिस्ट्रेशन मॅन्युअल प्रोसेस करताले. तो मॅन्युअल प्रोसेस हातूंतल्यान बंद जाता.
PMAक सारके मायनीच्या संदर्भात एक धोरण सारकें तकलेन क्लियर जालें की करतलो. सद्या म्हजे स्टेक होल्डरा बरोबर उलोवणें चालू आहा. सेकेंडली कितेंय जर तूं कायद्यान बदल करतलो जाल्यार तो कित्याक करतलो जाल्यार जे कितें ऑप्शन घेवन वतलो. आनी मुख्य म्हणजे ताका आमचे विरुद्ध पक्ष तुमकां हाजेर काय विचारपाचें ना पोर्टलाचेर पयलीं विचारा मरे कमीत कमी.
एकच रजिस्टर केले आणि ते